I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at setting up the Aeris Lite Air Purifier. So Aeris was kind enough to send me one of these to check out. I got the one in Sailor Blue, so it's got this really nice kind of navy blue look on the outside of it here, kind of like a fabric cover. And this is a HEPA 13 purifier, so it's actually even better than a traditional HEPA filter. So to set it up, it's really simple. I'm just going to basically put it on its side carefully here, and then we're going to take the power cord that comes with it, which I've got here, and just plug this in on the back. It's Swiss made, so the quality is really good, and it just seems nice and thoughtfully designed. So it's got a little groove here, and then when I put it back to being upright, the cord is just going to rest in there, so it's not sitting on its own cord. Now let's take it over to an electrical outlet and go ahead and plug it in. Okay, got it here in my office. I'm gonna go ahead and plug it into the wall. And see, it's gonna boot up here. And then it should start to operate. The little louver is gonna open. Air is flowing through. I can feel that on my hand here. And then the operation is really super easy. It's an AI-driven purifier. So the simplest thing is to put it into smart mode. You just press this button and that little O is gonna indicate that it's in that mode. I like this cool little LED display here. So that's going to put it into a smart mode where it'll detect the air quality in the room, and then based on that and its AI functions, it will actually adjust the fan speed, power consumption to filter the air. So if your quality degrades, it'll run more. If your air quality is pretty good, it won't run as much. It's probably the easiest mode to be on. You can also press this one to put it into a sleep mode, where it's very quiet for night, and it switches off its lights. Again, I think probably the smart mode's the easiest. And then if you want to change the speed manually, you just swipe with your finger up here, and you can hear it start to kind of take off. And then you can go back down if you want to reduce it again, or again, just switch into smart mode. So I'm going to leave mine in smart mode, and I'll just sit here detecting the air quality in my room using a smart sensor on the front here. And as the air quality changes, it will go ahead and update the fan speed and make sure that the air in my room is clean.